LiDAR lets you see the landscape in detail that you can't get from the ground. Here we're looking at a forestry site with power lines running through it. You can spot every tree, track canopy heights and measure the gaps under the power lines. The beauty of LiDAR is that now we've classified this point cloud, we can show only the data we're interested in. So for example, if we want to see the terrain for a topo survey, we take away the trees, revealing the true terrain. What's really interesting is we can see these footpaths that weren't visible from the air through the trees, and this data would be really difficult to collect using traditional methods in this particular area. If we switch to classification, here we can see the data is all nicely classified. We've got trees, we've got power lines. We can take away the vegetation, leaving only the power lines and the ground. So depending on what data you're looking for, it's now all easily extractable. So if we were to take a profile down this hillside, you can see here we've got good point density on the ground. We've got good classification of the trees and the surrounding objects. We follow a PPK workflow, which means this data comes out and is quality checked to ensure that it's accurate. So whether you need a topo survey, a power line clash detection or forestry management, then LiDAR data can be really useful. It's not just pretty pictures, it's actionable data. Comment below if you want to book a demo and I can show you some more examples.